9 Boomer Money Secrets Gen X should steal before it's too late. They actually work. Your parents were hiding money secrets that could save your retirement, and most of Gen X has no idea. I'm about to spill the tea on 9 boomer money moves that actually work in 2025, but first you need to know which one could add $300,000 to your nest egg. Welcome to 50 Cents of Advice, dropping dimes of wisdom 1 cent at a time. I'm Eli Pennywise, and today we're diving into the money vault your parents never told you about. Look, I know what you're thinking. Boomers? Really? But here's the thing. While you were busy perfecting your Pac-Man skills and memorizing every word to Don't Stop Believin', your parents were quietly building wealth with strategies that make today's TikTok financial advice look like Monopoly money. And secret number 7? It's so simple, you'll want to slap yourself for not doing it sooner. Secret number 1. The envelope method, but make it 2025. Remember when your mom had those little envelopes stuffed with cash? Turns out, she was onto something bigger than the latest episode of Dallas. While you're swiping cards faster than contestants on The Price is Right, boomers were mastering the art of cash consciousness. Here's the twist. You don't need actual envelopes anymore. Set up separate checking accounts for different spending categories. Your grocery money account, your entertainment fund, your oh crap the car died stash. When it's gone, no credit card cavalry coming to save the day. Pro, forces real budgeting awareness. Con, requires discipline that might feel as foreign as programming a VCR. Secret number 2, the pay yourself first philosophy. Your parents treated savings like a bill, non-negotiable as their mortgage payment. While Gen X perfected the art of I'll save what's left over, spoiler alert, there's never anything left. Boomers were automatically socking away money like it was their job. Set up automatic transfers the day after payday. Treat your future self like your most important creditor. Start with just $50 a month if that's all you can swing. It's not about the amount, it's about the habit. But here's the kicker I'll reveal later. One boomer couple I know of used this method to retire at 58. How? Keep watching. Secret number 3, the good enough mentality. While you're researching the perfect everything like you're writing a doctoral thesis, boomers mastered the art of good enough. They bought cars and drove them until the wheels fell off, literally. No lease payments, no constantly wanting the latest model. Your parents' 1987 Honda Civic taught them something. Transportation is transportation. Apply this to everything from phones to furniture. That iPhone 12 works just fine, doesn't it? Your couch doesn't need to be Instagram worthy. Pro, massive savings on stuff that depreciates. Con, your friends might think you're auditioning for extreme cheapskates. Secret number 4. Remember how your parents treated their house like Fort Knox? They weren't just building equity, they were playing the longest wealth building game in history. While Gen X got caught up in the house's ATM mentality, boomers were quietly sitting on gold mines. Here's what they knew. Pay extra toward your mortgage principal. Even an extra $100 monthly can shave years off your loan and save tens of thousands in interest. They'd rather skip a vacation than skip a mortgage payment. Speaking of houses, wait until you hear about secret number 6. It involves a mindset shift that could change everything about how you view money. Secret number 5. Your parents didn't throw away leftovers, they turned them into tomorrow's lunch. They didn't buy bottled water when tap water was free. They didn't subscribe to 17 streaming services because it's only $9.99. The modern version. Audit your subscriptions monthly. Use what you have before buying new. Shop your own pantry first. It sounds like your grandmother's advice because it is, and it worked then, it works now. Pro. Compound savings add up faster than you think. Con. You might actually have to eat those leftovers. Secret number 6. While you're chasing the next GameStop or crypto moonshot, boomers were putting money into index funds like they were collecting baseball cards consistently without drama for decades. They made investing as exciting as watching paint dry, and it made them rich. Dollar cost averaging into broad market index funds. No day trading, no hot stock tips, no trying to time the market. Just steady, boring, consistent investing that compounds like interest on a credit card, but in your favor. This is the strategy that couple I mentioned earlier used to retire at 58. They weren't high earners, they were just consistent savers and boring investors. Secret number 7. Your parents kept cash in savings accounts even when interest rates were lower than a limbo stick. Why? Because they lived through times when credit wasn't guaranteed and jobs weren't secure. They knew Murphy's Law wasn't just a saying, it was a lifestyle. Build that emergency fund like your financial life depends on it, because it does. Start with $1,000, then work toward 3 months of expenses. Keep it boring, keep it accessible, keep it safe. Pro, sleep better than you have since the Clinton administration. Con, that money won't earn much interest, but it's not supposed to. It's insurance, not investment. Secret number 8. Boomers didn't have financial anxiety like Gen X does. Why? They didn't check their accounts every 5 minutes or compare their net worth to strangers on social media. They treated money like a tool, not a scorecard. Set specific times to check your finances, such as once a week rather than 17 times a day. Money is meant to serve your life, not consume it. Your worth isn't your net worth. But here's the final secret that ties everything together. Secret number 9. Your parents planted oak trees, not daisies. They thought in decades, not quarters. They bought quality items once instead of cheap items repeatedly. They understood that wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Apply this everywhere. Buy better quality items that last longer, invest for decades, not months, build relationships that compound over time. Think like you're building a legacy, not funding next weekend. Pro, creates sustainable wealth that lasts. Con, requires patience in an instant gratification world. Look, I get it. Some of this advice sounds as old school as your dad's members-only jacket, but here's the truth. While financial advice gets more complicated every year, the fundamentals that actually build wealth haven't changed since your parents were dancing to Billie Jean. The boomers got one thing absolutely right. They played the long game while everyone else was playing checkers. You can still catch up, but you've got to start now. If this helped you see money differently, please give it a thumbs up harder than you hit the snooze button on Monday morning. Subscribe for more financial wisdom that actually works, and drop a comment telling me which secret you're implementing first. What other boomer wisdom do you think Gen X should steal? Please let me know below. Your insight might be featured in the following video. I'm Eli Pennywise, and that's your 50 cents of advice. Keep the change. Remember, your future self is counting on the decisions you make today. Make them count.